Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. As you may know, next month on July the 4th, there's going to be a general election here to choose the next government. The nation goes to the polls for the first time since 2019. And for the last 14 years, the government has basically been made up of the Conservative Party. And during those 14 years, we've seen a period of national decline. We've seen the top 2 or 3% of the country do very well, thank you, and get much richer than they were before. And we've seen everything else slowly start to fall to pieces. So you can imagine my delight when I turned on the radio this lunchtime to catch the news, and I heard somebody saying that this election could be nothing short of a complete catastrophe for the Conservative Party. Happy days. If you say that something is nothing short of, or could be nothing short of, a catastrophe, it basically means it could be a complete catastrophe, a complete and utter catastrophe. We often use nothing short of to emphasise a particular situation or quality or type of behaviour, and it can be followed by a noun, as in, hey, how was your trip? How was your holiday? Oh, don't ask. The whole thing was nothing short of a complete disaster. It can also be followed by adjectives. So you might hear things like, your behaviour was nothing short of appalling. Her achievements as an activist, as a reformer, as a politician, as an athlete, as a teacher, are nothing short of miraculous. You also often see it used in reviews, so maybe in book reviews or film reviews or music reviews. You might read that something new that's come out recently is nothing short of a masterpiece. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see how you might use nothing short of.